In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Exap on BlueStacks. We will walk through the process together in real time so you can follow along on your own computer without guessing what comes next or wondering if you clicked the right thing. First, open BlueStacks 5. If it is already installed on your computer, double-click the BlueStacks 5 icon to launch it, then give it a moment to load. You will know it is ready when you see the main BlueStacks window with the home screen, usually showing a few default apps and the search bar near the top. If this is your first time opening BlueStacks 5, it might take a little longer than usual while it prepares the Android environment, so do not worry if the loading logo stays on screen for a bit. Now that BlueStacks 5 is open, click the Install APK icon on the right toolbar. Look to the right side of the BlueStacks window, and you will see a vertical toolbar with several small icons stacked on top of each other. One of these icons looks like a little page with a downward arrow, and when you hover over it with your mouse, a small label appears that says Install APK. Click that icon once. After you click, BlueStacks will open a standard file browser window from your operating system. From there, select your exapk file. In the file browser window, navigate to the folder where you saved the exapk earlier. Beginners often forget where the file was downloaded, so check your downloads folder if you are not sure. Look for the file that ends with .xapk in its name. You can click once on the file to highlight it, and you should see its name appear in the file name field at the bottom of the window. This confirms the correct file is selected and ready to be opened. Next up, click Open. You will find the Open button in the bottom right corner of the file browser window. Click it once and the window will close. Right after that, BlueStacks 5 will start processing the exapk file in the background. You might notice a small installing notification or progress indicator appear at the bottom or top of the BlueStacks window, showing that the package has been accepted and is now being installed inside the Android environment. After that, wait for the installation to finish. The time here depends on the size of the exap and the speed of your computer, so it might be just a few seconds or it might take longer for larger games. While you wait, avoid clicking around too much inside BlueStacks so the installation is not interrupted. You will know the installation is complete when the new app icon appears on the BlueStacks home screen without any loading bar on it. Once the icon is fully visible, the app is ready to use. At this point, open the app from the BlueStacks home screen. On the main BlueStacks screen, find the new app icon that matches the name of the exapk you installed. Click the icon once, and the app will launch inside a new BlueStacks tab. You should now see the app splash screen or main menu load just like it would on an Android device. You have just installed an exapk file on BlueStacks 5 and launched the app successfully. So if this helped you get your app running, please give the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple BlueStacks tips.